This is the Freedom Manager. The Freedom Manager is a central component of the Apps Freedom platform that is in the cloud and gives you access to different Apps Freedom modules. On the left hand side, you see the menu with access to different modules. Um, on the top four modules are really the development modules, and the bottom three are the administration and the management modules. On the top right corner, you have access to update your profile. On the bottom right corner, you have access to the help area. This is where you can access different help sections or even click on how to guide you through the app process. The process modeler is where you would begin your app development process. You can put down your app logic for the app. It's more like a Visio style modeling tool where you will put down the app process and the platform will generate the app for you. It will generate a base framework of the app across all the different mobile platforms. The app designer is the second step where one can go and enhance the app screens. This is where you can put all the different themes, the colors, the design elements, and everything else to make the app look pretty. The third component is the integration builder. This is where you would go and put down all the integration logic, the business logic, to get data from different source systems, databases, so on and so forth, and apply the logic and give it to the app. The database designer gives you access to the cloud database in the Freedom Manager. You can build your own tables, build your own views, put the relationship between tables, and essentially have your own database supporting the app. The platform configurator is really the administration module. This is where one can give access to the users, provide different system connections, so on and so forth. The app library gives you capability to look at all of your apps in one place. It really is a library of apps where you can control the access of the apps, provide access to different users from the app library. The app watch gives you access to get usage statistics, user behavior, so on and so forth. It essentially lets you monitor the app usage so that you can go and enhance the apps to increase user adoption. Thank you.